Hey friends, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Excel series that is running into my channel. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box after the video ends. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So in my previous video we have learned how to round any number within the nearest multiple value. So this is the second part of that video. If you didn't watch that video, I will highly recommend you to watch that video first. I will give you the link of the video in the description box and in the I button also. So today we are going to learn how to round a number up to a next half. So watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more amazing videos like this, and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So let's start. Let's start friends. For your reference, I will run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. I have already created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is friends. Today we are going to learn this formula like this, ceiling. I think this formula is quite new to you. If you need to round a number up to the next half, you can use the ceiling function, which always rounds up based on a supplied multiple. Note that mround also rounds based on a supplied multiple, but it always rounds to the nearest multiple. In this example, we will type the formula like this, equals to CEILING, ceiling, then open the first bracket, then it is asking for a number. Give the reference cell number here, put a comma, then it is asking for significance. To round a number up to the next half, you have to put the number like that, 0.5, that means half, and it will round the number into the next half. Then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing the result as 2.5, that means the next half of 2.1. If we type the formula again like this, equals to CEILING, open the first bracket, give the reference cell number here, put a comma, 0.5, then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is also showing the result as 2.5. That means here also 2.5 is the second half of the number 2.3. But if we put the formula here, ceiling, then open the first bracket, give the reference number here, put a comma, 0.5, close the bracket and hit the enter button. It is showing result as 3. 3 is the next half of 2.6, so it is getting the actual result. Even though the value in B5 is 2.1, ceiling rounds up to the next multiple of 0.5, which is 2.5. So that's all for today, friends. I will come back soon with the next part of this video. Please share your opinion about this video in the comment box and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting, keep learning, and stay tuned.